Welcome back. In this video, we're going to take a look at putting images into our Elementor pages. There's several different ways you can go about it. I'm just going to take you through some of the basics and you can go from there. So the first one we'll have a look at here on our sample page is the most basic of all, and that is just inserting a simple image. Okay, so to do this, we're going to jump into our dashboard. Rightio, once we're in our dashboard, we're going to go to our pages and we'll put all these on our images page. So if we click on our images page, and we'll click on Edit with Elementor. Okay, so first off, we'll start by creating a new section. And in this case, we'll just use a single column. Obviously, you could use any amount of columns you want, depending on how your layout's going to be. But for simplicity's sake, we're just going to use a single one this time. And now I'll just click on our little matrix up here and I'll just add a heading and I'll just call that basic image. Obviously, depending on your context, that isn't necessary, but seeing we're going to be putting more examples on this page, we'll just clarify what it is now. Remember to hit update whenever you make some changes. Okay, so we'll click on our matrix again, and you'll notice here in our basics or basic column, we've got image. So we'll just drag and drop that underneath our basic image title there, and it drops a big placeholder in. So we're going to want to choose our image. So we'll just click over here on the left in our choose image box. Now I'll just choose the same image I used in the example. Now, something you should take note of, when you upload your images into your media library, you should always take the time to fill in these details. Okay. So alt text, that's important for usability. So we just basically what alt text is a description of what the image is. So we'll just go lady. Now title, it'll just by default give it the file name. But we'll just put in their title, Jane Doe. We'll give it a caption. And a description. Rightio. Like I said, it's a bit fiddly, but it's something if you do it at the beginning, it'll save you a lot of trouble later on down the line or as soon as you've uploaded the image. Rightio. So once we've selected that and made sure all those details are right, we'll click Insert Media. As you can see, it's placed the image in. Now, there are a few different settings we can play with here. We can mess around with the image size a bit. Go as small as a thumbnail, medium, large, or large seems to be about the same. So we might just go for medium large at the moment. And alignment, so we can change it to left or right center. And here we've got caption and link. Now, link obviously will be if you want to link it to either a media file or a custom URL. So just like another hyperlink, basically. Caption can be the attachment caption. So in other words, that information you filled in on the media library, you can just plop that straight in. The advantage of that is it'll be consistent wherever you use this image across the website, or alternatively, you can use a custom caption. Like I said, however, where possible, I'd use the caption that you store with the actual media, just for consistency. So we'll just go back to the attachment caption. Okay.